in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Pilipino nagsisipagtapos hanggang mamuno ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkakilala. Reminds us that true leadership is not measured solely by knowledge and skills, but also by integrity, compassion, and service to others.
As we commence this meaningful occasion, let us celebrate not only academic accomplishments, but also the character, resilience, and values that will shape our learners into future leaders of our communities and nation.
Ladies and gentlemen, the processional march is about to commence. We kindly request everyone to rise and remain standing as we welcome the participants in this graduation and completion ceremony.
Entering first are our candidates for graduation of the AME Elementary, accompanied by their proud parents, spouse, or guardian.
Aurelia Ryan M. Abeka Johnson Lee T. Alwala Lil S. Alwala Merlan S. Ampasu Alethea D. Bako John Paul M. Baloyos Holy Junior U. Patapa Danilo Ray. Bruniola Nash D. Cabato Leonardo M. Cabato Leonard M.
Kapuyan Raymond G. Kapuyan Raymond G. Carbaosa Philip John. Concordia Josa May P. Daligon Jennifer S. Estera Anne T. Fuertes Nelly Q. Guapo Jericho J. H. Gorilla Gino M. Hernan Peter R. Fernando Fitz Isaac P.
Bibiolada Rosel N. Labadaba Selena T. Nabiga Erlinda S. Lugaya Justin B. Mabuyo Noel R. Manguza Bilal A. Paginawa ay Luna B. Lico, Kendy B.
Salindo, Lilibeth B. Sige, Darcy C. Trabasas, David R. And Trabasas, Zyra Joy R.
Following are the candidates for completion A&A Junior High School with their parents, spouses, and guardians.
From District 1, Ablao, Arvin R. Acapulco, Leon Princess Q. Aliana, Mark Roby. Alicaya, Kian J. Y. Balan, Lyra May A. Cano, Mary Joy B. Castro, Chavi A. Capilusa, Christine L. Clement, Richard Jr. D. Gamos, Jerry Jr. F. Johnny, John Lloyd B. Perosilio, Jinky. Tapia, G.U.S.
Alo, Arvin. Apat, Renato Junior A. Danalto, Jesse E. Maharate, Ernesto Junior M. Saki, Lena. Tamoan, Gemma P. Celebrity, Michael R.
Valete, Cyril, Julian F. Cañete, Elgin R. Almarte, Rockfix P. Macabas, Joshua F. Maquilan, Raymond S. Matos, Barry S. Reyes, Hans Martin D. Sidenio, Jim Alea E. Sibilia, Rover E. Piano, J. L. Templaza, Mark Neil E. And Templaza, Mark James E.
District 2. Algoso, Lawrence J. Bustamante, Michael Angelo B. Enero, Christian J. A. Jao, Mary J. P. Hapay, May B. Pumalor, Mervin G. Papa, Nicole M. Pilipili, Ana P. Rodriguez, Arnel P.
Acapulco, Kyle Justin B. Agad, Jonathan. Algoso, Jane. Italia, Gilmore C. Italia, Benedict S. Largo, Diana Rose A. Renuma, Stephen Michael C. And Pacman Adrian Christian M.
District 3. Alvarez, Joseph M. Paranas, John B. Paranas, Fred Jefferson B. Pasado, Jumano B. Romano, Edward I. Hajula, Kathy C. Lumortos, J.P. L. Ocampo, Delta Lloyd. Papua, C.G. Lloyd P. Pamati, Chen P. Siliano, Justin P.
Anwaya, Mary May T. Bimongko, Beverly. Lau, Alton Francis S. Lindo, John Will A. Mabala, John I. Mabuyo, Roel P. Paprika, F. Philip A. Rimolado, Lawrence. Rosario, Michelle.
Abu, John Joseph B. Bahamutu, John Lee O. Bagma, Julian A. Manano, Francis Mikey P. Maggie, Mayer C. Anonymous, Jameson Lance R.
District 4, Officer Earl John B. Alcazar Mark Anthony O. Baybayo John R. C. Buntal Marisa E. Dalangin Albert L. Imo Luis P. Lorenzo John XLV. Jimenez Jenny F. Maluba IVC. Olianes Lawrence F. and Anand Catherine N.
Apeliano, William S. Balaclava, Lucian D. Bulasona, Lorenzo Junior. Hapay, Ronald Glenn M. Lagaso, Brendan N. Pakati, Maribel S. Pacho, Kisha C. Romito, Jessa C. Sarua, Lovejoy D. And Tuba, Isaac John J.
Ambra Mary Joy L. Inamar Frank O. Punko Brian L. Latagala Clean Tails B. Largo Meriflor B. Leonisa Ivy R. Julia Charlita A. and Pontejos Jason G.
District 5. Apeliana, Jamaica N. Antona, Rihanna N. Ayaan, Charlene P. Mateo, Mary Apple P. Virgilio, Gregory Junior P. And Paulistas C.J. N.
Caballero May Ann R. Cañete Jessica Bert G. Gallo Trixan A. Gala Janine P. Manlangin Jerry M. Pamada Isaac M. Rodrigo Mikey R. and Sakin Isaac Y.C.
District 6. Barilo, Marcelino Junior P. Capellao, Robertson N. Barilo, Marcelino Junior P. Capellao, Robertson N. Capello, Jane N. Viparini, Prince Munoz, Jimmy P. Pacato, Bernie P. Paredes, Chester Glenn A. Rivelo, General N. Segovia, L. Perez, Torres.
Apia, Angela A. L. Balisanso, Raymond D. Balisanso, Marina O. Barolo, Jezreel A. Dumalte, April Rose L. Guadalupe, Princess Laila L. Caraldo, Ivy A. And Howard Marvin S.
District 7, Labastida, Jamer F. Omayo, Shadoway G.
District 8, Aligado, Anthony. Aligado, Rizal T. Corpin, Zolan A. Encarnacion, Ivan K. Z. Verona, John Ivan R. Lagunda, Jesse S. Lagunda, Johnson K. La Paz, Alvin S. Lopez, John Mark P. Macaris, Donna May A. Ponce, Jopel P. Revolado, Jonas P. Rebelieza, Randall D. Somalco, Martin J. Villanesa, Jean-Marie S. and Villanueva W.C.
Ageas, Mark Adrian N. Camus, Angelin A. Francisco, Angel May C. Palma, Mara J. E. Rasalapre, Rachel R. Sanchez, Feliciano Junior N.
District 9, Aileen Angeline C. Vito, J.O. L. Bulawan, Ikaila U. Villa Victoria, Christian R. Jomame, Joven L. Florentino, Renati A. Rico Hermoso, Salvia D.
Agaro, Joy R. Bagsitan, Angela S. Bluso, Catherine D. Mahusay, Alberto Junior C. Tuto, BBG. Sabato, JIND. Soto, Analisa G.
Aranego, Abigail B. Bukoy, John Lloyd Lady P. Bolando, John Mark. Cabajo, Sarah Sachi. Big Gracia, Jacqueline R. De la Vega, Eugenio A. Estrada, Jeremiah B. and Riverpaso, Marley T.
District 10. Agad, Natasha Jen B. Amhan, Zoya. Bogo, Midday B. Bolayo, Rovers H. Laureto, Kenneth E. Liquid, Ken Adrian P. Liquid, Ken Andrew P. Linus, Rena N. Rosalina, Ariel A. Sedone, Michael. Octan, Angie A.
Paulino, Sam Audrey S. Cabuguas, Robin N. Dantes, Joven Gabriel C. Cortez, Jonali. Plaza, President D. Rabado, Gerald D. Reneses, Ariel R. Ribadillo, Mark G. and Villegas, Jerry P. Ladies and gentlemen, we also welcome our valued stakeholders, the Barangay Local Government Unit, Barangay Chairman, and the SK Chairman.
Schools Division Superintendent, Education Program Supervisors, and Public Schools District Supervisors, whose leadership and dedication continue to inspire excellence in teaching and learning. We are deeply honored by your presence in this celebration.
And of course, let us acknowledge the hard-working and dedicated House teachers, together with the Division House focal person and the two lovely ladies, the Education Program Specialist team. Through your passion, patience, and commitment, you have guided our learners toward achieving their educational goals. Today's success is also your success.
Ladies and gentlemen, as our procession continues, let us reflect on the significance of this gathering. Today is more than a ceremony.
We also have here our Regional Director of Region 10, Dr. Ruth Fuentes Cesar Green. Once again, welcome to the Alternative Learning System Graduation and Completion Ceremony. May this occasion serve as a reminder that learning is a lifelong journey and that every learner has the power to lead, serve, and succeed. At this point, we shall hear the welcome address from a leader who continuously supports the advancement of education. May we call on the Secondary School Principal 3 of Ozamiz City National High School, Ma'am Lilibet Y. Abamonga.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon sa tanan. Maayong hapon kanatong tanan. We are so proud here today because we have with us our distinguished guest, our esteemed Regional Director of Department of Education, Region 10, Dr. Ron L. Fuentes Cesar Green. Schools Division Superintendent, Dionisio L. Liwagon Jr., CISO 6. Our respected City Mayor, Attorney Sam Bauman D. Fuentes. Our valued members of the City Council and the City Education Committee, led by Honorable Cecil Koo. Our education supervisors in the Department of Education, here lead with Sir EPS Rolalio S. Ropenta. Our dedicated as teachers, facilitators, of course, our barangay officials here. Ayan, alright. And our district supervisor, our PSD is here. Our EPS, our parents and families, the friends, and most importantly, our remarkable graduates and completers of this alternative learning system. Isang palang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Proud kaayo ko o malipayon that I stand before you today to welcome everyone to this meaningful and momentous occasion in your graduation and completion na gipahigayon diri sa Ozamiz City National High School. Today is not just a ceremony. It is a celebration of resilience, determination, and the unyielding power of education. Sa panahon ni karon dinhi, thank you for gracing the event with your presence and for sharing in the success of these as learners who have traveled a unique and inspiring path through this alternative learning delivery of education. We are deeply honored to have among us the Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Dions. Your visionary leadership, guidance, and unwavering support for non-formal education had been the foundation upon which our ALS program stands. To our, sir, your commitment to ensuring that no learner is left behind has opened doors to opportunity for so many, and we are truly grateful for your continued trust and encouragement to everyone. We also extend a warm welcome and our sincere gratitude to our City Mayor, Attorney Sam. Your presence here today, Mayor, is a clear testament to your administration's dedication to inclusive education and community development. Your support strengthens our belief that education is a shared responsibility between the schools, the community, and the local government. Thank you for your standing with us and for investing in the future of our youth here in Tacbayan, sa Ozamis. To the distinguished members of the City Education Committee led by Ma'am Cecil, thank you for being partners in progress. Your advocacy, planning, and hard work ensure that education remains a priority in our city. Your presence today affirms that you value every learner, regardless of their background or the path they choose to take. Sa tanang mga ginikanan, guardians, and families here this afternoon, you are the silent heroes behind every success story nga nakita karon aning mga ALS students nga mo-graduate. You offer encouragement, mga nanay. When the journey was hard, you provided strength when they felt tired. And you believed in them, even when they doubted themselves. Salamat kaninyo mga ginikanan. Today, your sacrifices nagbunga ra gyud, and you have every reason to be proud sa tanan nga ania karon dinhi. And now, to our graduates and completers, kamo ang heart and soul of today's celebration. The alternative learning system is not an easy road. Many of you face challenges, work, distance, family duties, or difficult circumstances that make learning harder than it should be. Pero, you did not give up. Pakpakan ang inyong kaugalingon. Nipadayon gayud kamo. You choose to pursue knowledge because you understood that education is the key to changing your lives and building a better future. You have proven na ang edad, ang panahon, or sitwasyon is never a barrier to learning. Dili babak na sila tanan. You have shown that will is stronger than any obstacle. Kay diingon bitaw, when there's a will, there's always a way. Karon, mudawat kamo sa inyong certificates and diplomas, but what you truly carry with you is something far greater. The confidence, no? That you can overcome challenges. The discipline to keep going, and of course, the knowledge na you are capable of achieving with your different dreams. This is just the beginning of your journey. Whether you proceed to higher education, seek better employment, or serve your community, remember that the values you learn here, the perseverance, the hard work, and hope will guide you every step of the way. Once again, I welcome everyone to this celebration. May this ceremony inspire us all to continue supporting our system and of course, to always believe that education is a ride for everyone and a journey that never truly ends. Congratulations to our ALS learners and teachers. God bless everyone.
Thank you, Ma'am Beth, for inspiring words of welcome.
The presentation of candidates is a recognition of the learners who have successfully fulfilled the requirements of the alternative learning system. To present and verify the candidates for graduation and completion, may we call on Sir Eulalio S. Ropinta, Division as Focal Person, Dr. May P. Idolientes, Chief of the Curriculum Implementation Division, and Sir Janicio L. Liwago Jr., CESO 6, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, and Officer in Charge of the Office of the Schools Division Superintendent, and to be confirmed and exact by Dr. Ruth L. Fuentes, CESO 3, the Regional Director of DepEd Region 10.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. As Education Program Supervisor and Division as Focal Person, let me present to you the candidates for graduation and completion school 2025-2026 of the alternative learning system of the Division of Misamis City. The 23 male elementary, 11 female elementary of the acceleration and equivalency program of the alternative learning system. They are the candidates for graduation, a total of 34. Let me present also the candidates for completion. The Junior High School Acceleration and Equivalency Program passers of the alternative learning system. School year 2025-2026. The 122 males and 86 female, a total of 208. Chief May, his candidates for graduation and completion are eligible for your certification.
As presented by EPS Eulalio S. Rupenta, Division as Focal Person, and in my capacity as Chief Education Supervisor of the Curriculum Implementation Division, I hereby certify that the A&E elementary candidates for graduation, of whom 23 are boys and 11 are girls, a total of 44, and the A&E Junior High School candidates for completion, of whom 122 are boys and 86 are girls, a total of 208 have satisfactorily completed the academic requirements set by the Bureau of Alternative Education of the Department of Education and have passed the A&E tests administered by the Bureau of Education Assessment. Sir Dion.
Thank you very much. My afternoon greetings to our beloved Regional Director of the Department of Education Region 10, Dr. Ruth Legaspe Fuentes, CESO 3. Madam RD, I have the honor to present and to certify, being the OIC Schools Division Superintendent, as earlier presented and certified by our key officials of the division. We hereby certify that these candidates for graduation and completion have satisfactorily completed the requirements set forth under the K-12 Basic Education Curriculum as prescribed by the Bureau of Alternative Education. Madam, for your confirmation.
by virtue of the power vested in me by the Department of Education, and upon presentation and confirmation by the Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Lubago, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements under the basic education curriculum for alternative learning system for completers and graduates of for junior high school and graduates of elementary school. I hereby confirm your graduation. Okay, you can hold the tassel now. I hereby confirm your graduation today, given this 11th of June 2026, the year of our Lord. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Ma'am and Sir. Congratulations, graduates and completer.
One of the most awaited moments of this ceremony has arrived. The distribution of certificates to our graduates and completers.
May we request the presence of our distinguished guests and education leaders to assist in the awarding of certificate.
Every certificate awarded today tells the story of resilience and commitment to lifelong learning.
Okay, I will read the citation. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 10, Division of Ozamis City. Manicol Community Learning Center certifies that has satisfactorily completed the requirements of the elementary curriculum prescribed by the alternative learning system of the Department of Education and is therefore awarded this certificate. Signed in the city of Ozamis, Philippines on the 11th day of June 2026. Signed, Janicio L. Liwamo Jr., CESO 6. Abelia Ryan L. Abindan Shansel Nick T. Aguala Mary Jane S. Aguala Verna S. Amaga Crystalline C. Ampaso Ilea Kyria D. Bajo Johnny Boy M. Baluyos Holy Junior U.
Matapa Fernando A. Broniola Nash D. Cabando Doneto M. Cabandit Myanmar N. Cariete Marcel B. Kapuyan Edmond G. Philip John. Concordia, Josephine P. Layongdon, Jennifer S. Isguera, Anime T. Fuertes, Nelly Q. Branco, Jericho J. H. Bumilaw, Gino M. Hernan, Peter R. Hernando, Prince Isaac D. Hibunada, Login N. Lubaya, Jasmine B. Mabuyo, Lowen R. Manluza, Julal A. Mindon, Arturo Junior E. Paglinawan, Melalona B. Rico, Henry B. Salindo, Lilibet B. Sampulawan, Shailia Muran Ali. Sige, Darjin C. Sobido, Kaindi Ezekiel F. Trabasas, David R. And Labasas, Zayran R.